your love, nothing was the same. It came with no landing boat, no booming skies, just love that's quiet, relentless, wild in the eye. A love that doesn't measure by merit, doesn't tally up the scars, but says I saw them all and still you are mine. This ain't religion wrapped in rules. This the king that breaks chains, the lion who knelt down low just to whisper my name. Grace, a love undeserved. However, through this blessing I'm destined to serve. Through the fire, through the rain, we look to the sky and ask, is there more for us to gain? Soothe the pain, I'm overdue. We hear your name, our soul pursues. We seize the day for holy truth, but in our veins it's only you. Your love is raw, your love is peace, your love is captivating, it will never cease. My blessed source, I'm forever yours. We thank you for your guidance. We thank you for forgiveness. Your light is our reliance and our alliance is your witness. Because it's only your love we need. We scream for it. We bleed for it. And so through your grace is how we breathe.
Pag-ibig sa'yo, ito ay kulay na iniba. Nakikita ng mata mo, bilang mabibilang naman. Wala may bigayan sa pagko mo, dahil lahat ay mawala. Handa akong masaktan, kung kapalit na may malaya. Ang mamahal kapag hindi na makahinga, kung ikahiram ka na, isang araw mata ko, malalaman mong nasa kiro, ang piling ko sa'yo ikiwas. Para sa akin, kung may pagbigay ang hanap, kailangan ng dahilan para ika'y mahalin hanggang sa mawalan ng pagmama at ipalang na magkakilala. Di ko alitan na dahil lahat ay mawala. Handa
Sa gitna na kayo, tumasumog ng 1. So let's go.
Kahit lahat ay mawala, kung kapalitan ay malaya, kang mahal itunay na propesiya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't ako aking nagsihina.
Pag ano, everybody, sabay-sabay.
pag hindi na makahinga.
Come on, everybody, make some noise! Okay, what if sa gitna ng ulan kumanta ko ng isang song na alam niyong lahat, kakanta pa kayo, everybody?